I didn't blame, just a voice I still remember calling softly through the pain. I wish I fought a little more, opened up instead of closed the door. But we learn too late sometimes what we were really fighting for. And maybe I was wrong, but I tried to be strong while I was barely holding on and on. Forgive me now if it helps you sleep. I was just a child learning how to be. And though I lost what I held most dear, I still carry you right here. I let the